Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laiba Hafiz. I am a student of BS Zoology of second semester. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This presentation topic is plasmid vector. First of all, I discuss about plasmid vector. What is plasmid vector? It's the content of my presentation. Introduction. The term plasmid was first used by an American molecular biologist, Joshua Ladber, in 1952. He also won the 1958 Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering bacteria. First of all, I want to tell about the meaning of this term vector. If you recall mosquito is called a vector because mosquito is such an insect which transmit pathogens from a diseased person to a healthy person. As this plasmid can transmit gene of an organism to the other organism. When we are using plasmid in such a way, then we call it vector. In these genetic engineering programs, we use other organisms also as vector, such as retrovirus, bacteriophage, such as. But this in this presentation we will discuss about plasmid and its features. Plasmid vectors are small double-stranded DNA particles with a bacterial replication origin capable of producing high level of replication. Producing hundred of copies can be made per cell and convenient restriction sites. Difference between plasmid and vector. These are two types of self-replicative DNA molecules. Plasmids are the extra chromosomal element naturally occurring inside the bacterial cells. Vectors are artificially introduced DNA molecules into the cell. Plasmids do not carry essential gene for functioning of the bacterial cell. Structure of plasmid. Plasmid consists an origin of replication, polylinker, antibiotic resistant gene. Origin of replication is the place where DNA replication begins, enabling a plasmid to reproduce itself as it must to survive within cell. The replicons of plasmid are generally different from those used to replicate the host chromosomal DNA, but they still rely on the host machinery to make additional copies. Polylinker. Polylinker in plasmid. The polylinker is one of the most important molecule of plasmid. Basically, it is a short sequence of DNA consisting of a few sites for cleavage by restriction enzyme. Antibiotic resistant gene mean a selective maker. Antibiotic resistant gene is the most important component of plasmid. These genes play an important role in drug resistance, thus making treatment of more diseases. Uh, promoter promoter region. This is the component of plasmid that is involved in recreating transcription machinery. Primer binding site. This is a short sequence of DNA on a single strand which is typically used for the purpose of PCR amplification or DNA sequencing. Size of plasmid varies. It is from 1 to 400 kilobase pairs. In this structure, bacterial DNA one part break and it insert into plasmid. In the replication, two cells are formed and plasmid become and this plasmid become a recombinant plasmid. Using plasmid as cloning vector. To insert a DNA fragment into a plasmid, both the fragmented and the circular plasmid are cut using a restriction enzyme that produces compatible ends. Given the large number of restriction enzymes that are currently available, it is usually not too difficult to find an enzyme for which corresponding recognition sequences are present in both the plasmid and the DNA fragment. Particularly because most of plasmid vectors used in molecular biology have been engineered to contain recognition sites for a large number of endonucleases. Plasmid are not found in humans. Uh, Plasmid provide additional flexibility of transmitting genetic information in bacteria. Bacteria can transfer genetic information through its single chromosome. Transformation of plasmid and insertion foreign DNA with gene of interest insert into the cutting site of plasmid sticky end, and this plasmid then form a recombinant plasmid. Plasmid bad or good. Bad plasmid transfer antibiotic resistant gene in bacteria. They produce protein is that can destroy antibiotic, leading to antibiotic resistance. But on the other side, it could various biological products, medicine are produced by cloning procedure of putting medicine gene into plasmid vector. Insulin is a good example of plasmid. Thank you.